My typical morning start with taking care of everyone, filling everybody's bowls, and plates. For the birds, I do a mixture of seeds and pellets. Unfortunately, a lot of bird seeds and pellet brands contain sugars and dyes, which are really bad for everyone's health. So you might want to look out for those ingredients. Also, stay away from a high content of peanuts and sunflower seeds in your bird's diet. Those are high in fats. Although good fats, your birds usually don't get enough exercise to benefit from a high-fat diet. You rather want to use those as a treat. I know some people will say the same about a seed diet, and I agree if it was just a seed diet. Variety is the key here. And you want to be definitely more generous with veggies and pellets. Cutting fresh vegetables every day is a must for me. A lot of bird owners prefer chop, and that's totally fine. But I like to cut their veggies in different sizes. Smaller, bigger, because a lot of parrots like to hold their food and chew it up. Chop is rather soft and not as entertaining to forage and hold their favorite veggies or treats. But this is just my opinion. Obviously, this does not apply to pigeons or other non-parrot birds that pick their food rather than hold it and chew it. To their seed, pellet, and veggie mix, I add fresh herbs and a little mix of chia, flax, and hemp seeds. Not every morning goes smooth, and a mom of multiple birds a dog, and 2 little kids. But I try to get everyone taken care of.
It is. Are you hungry, girl? You know where the food is.
Even the wild birds in our yard. And finally, my turn.